Hi, and welcome back. Our topic for now will be about marketing your practice. Very important, that's how you make your living. Let me start out by giving you a quick background of what I had done. At the end of 1993, in December, I left the IRS as an agent, and I opened up my own practice working out of my home. And I thought, okay, how am I going to start? So I took a little ad in the LA Times, invested, $400, telling people I'm a former IRS agent, I do audits. And I also canvassed my neighborhood, the block, looking for bookkeeping clients, monthly bookkeeping clients. The first month, I made more money than I would have as an IRS agent for the entire year. If you take into consideration like a monthly bookkeeping sign-up client, $150 a month, annualized at $1,800 a month. And we grew. And from that point, at one time, we had about 10 offices, one in Phoenix, Arizona, Las Vegas, Nevada, New Orleans, Seattle, Washington, and so forth. And we practically did the same thing that I discussed with you here. There is nothing left out. So if you follow through with this and you do what I had done, you too will encounter success. There's over 100 tax returns filed each and every year with the IRS. And all you want is a little portion of that to represent people before the audit division if they're being audited or they owe money to the IRS, they need monthly payment plans, you get the innocent spouses, you're going to get appeals cases, somebody's been through an audit, nothing happened, they want to appeal the case, and much, much more. So what you need to do is be able to learn how to market for these services. So let's go ahead and begin. Television. People say, that costs a lot of money. Well, guess what, folks? I produced a 30-second commercial, and nowadays you can pick up a digital camera and produce your own commercial. Using the computer, you can even edit, do titles on it yourself, make sure it's only 29.5 seconds long. And then you can contact your local TV stations if you want to go on cable. Cable, I paid as low as $3 a spot. I also did major networks like CBS, ABC, the Fox, and I was paying $25 a spot overnight, meaning like midnight or 2 to 5 or 6 a.m. And there's believe me, there's a lot of people awake at night that are watching TV, especially those who are being audited or they owe tons of money to the IRS and they're stressed out. They're gonna be up at night. So many people say, oh, you answered my prayer when I saw you on TV that evening. It gave me a good feeling, number one. Number two, I was able to help them. Number three, I made money for me and my family, which was really good. So I give you two samples here of what I had done on the web page. Go ahead and play those videos. You can duplicate them if you wish. Say what I say. It's really up to you. And don't forget, at the end of this web page, I discussed with you the engagement agreement. You can use my engagement agreement, just remove my name, use your own name, as well as how much money I charge for my services. Use that as well. So much for television. The second thing I used to do a lot, and that would be radio advertisements. And if you were to contact a radio station and they tell you, oh, the best time is from 6 a.m. in the morning till 9 a.m., they call it drive time. That's when it's pretty much all the freeways are congested, everybody's in their cars going to work, and so forth. What I had discovered, if you do buy drive time, spots could be $300 to $600 into the thousands a spot. But what I discovered on a Sunday afternoon, after 4 p.m., people are coming home from wherever they were visiting. The freeways are just as congested as it would be in the morning drive time, Monday through Friday. I was paying $50 a spot for these spots. And so try radio, it does work. Make sure your message is informs the listener what it is that you are offering to do for them. Print, I did few print, that means newspapers, brochures, flyers, etc. So with the print here, I show you what you can use. And use it as well. It does work. Like in our area, we have the penny saver during tax season. It works good for me. During the year, I might want to do LA Times ad, but of course it has to be condensed, and an ad this size in the LA Times is very expensive. A brochure will be great as well to also duplicate. Business cards, please do always have them available. Believe it or not, if you're in this business and if you go to a party or at a gathering and people ask you, oh, what do you do? Well, I represent people before the IRS. Oh, can I get your business card? And they'll start asking you questions. Be careful there. Don't give free advice. Help out a little bit, but you are in business to make money. So use your judgment. I have a link for you here to my business cards. You can print your own. Just go ahead and buy the blank business card forms from like Office Depot. Speaking engagements, I got involved by contacting the Lions Club, for example, the Kiwanis Club. They're always looking for speakers. So when they hear, you want to come and talk about the IRS issues, please do. So go ahead, and again, these people will call you to have things done as well. Canvassing your area, make up a flyer, go knocking on doors. Hi, especially if you're into the bookkeeping, write-up work, monthly write-up work. Don't be bashful. Take your business cards, take your flyers, introduce yourself. This is what I do. I just came to let you know who I am. Don't try to sell them anything. If you need my services, anytime, please give me a call. I would appreciate your business. And leave it at that. Believe me, they will call. Some people will right then and there say, you know what? I haven't filed in 3 years. Can you help me out? Of course I can. And then also, don't forget to ask for referrals. Very important. Tell people that, you know, the best advertisement is what they call viral advertisement, which is word of mouth advertisement. It is the best. Let's talk about websites and the internet. In 1993, we did not have internet. Today, it's all over the place. You can see my website, for example. Make sure when you get one produced for you to make sure it tells the story about what you do. Make sure the person who is designing it does a nice, clean job for you. And make sure that your meta tags correlates with your page, meaning your keywords that are used, the title of the page as well. And once you get it done and you you finish all our course material here, take your test, pass, we'll issue your certificate. And part of the program here is also to go ahead and list your business on former IRSagent.com. And again, if you have any questions, please go ahead and visit the community, ask your questions. Marketing is my forte, so if you have any questions about this, I would love to jump in and help out as much as I can. And I would appreciate it. Ask for referrals. If you tell others about IRSTaxUniversity.com and let them join as well, I would love that. And I thank you for watching.